Hey everyone, it's Liam Mulcahy here with the SAT Initiative. We're looking at Algebra I calculator strategies, and I'll show you what we're going to be talking about. So, there are 5 sections of calculator strategies on this SOL. The majority of the test is focused around storing. So if you understand anything in this, I would concentrate on storing. But other than that, we have y equals, radicals, inequalities, and tables, and we're just going to work our way left to right here. So let's go. Alright, so to solve an equation for response, you're going to want to use the y equals method. You're going to want to put the left hand side in y1, the right hand side in y2, and then press graph, and you want to press zoom and then 3, which is zoom out if you don't see the intersection, but if you do, press second calc and go down to 5 intersection, press enter 3 times, and you'll get your intersection. Alright, and we get our answers. The intersection, x value, -17. Alright, now simplifying radicals, all we got to do, radical numbers, all we have to do is type out each one, and if there are 2 that give the same value, you want to pick the one with the larger number on the outside, and in this case our answer is 3 square roots of 2. Now the next thing is storing. So there are 2 types of storing. There's the 2 categories rather, the values given and one where you can pick any value you want. So first we're going to start with the values given. So this is basic storing, basically f of a number, or it tells you that x or whatever your variable is equals a certain number. You're going to store that value for the letter, and then you're going to type out the expression. So number, store variable, type the expression. Alright, and our answer here is -176. Now determining zeros, they want to know which number is a 0. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to store each answer choice for x and see which one returns 0. So in this case, -6 returns 0, so it's the 0 of the function. Now, solving equations, multiple choice, we're going to store for x and look for y because our answer choices are in y. This is all just a puzzle, we're using this store key to fit into that puzzle. So we store for -4, and then with answer choice C we get back 4, and then we try the other ordered pair, 8, store x, and we get back the y value. Alright, now we're looking for solving equations of a line. So we're going to pick a point on one of the lines. So here we got -5, 0, and that means we're going to store -5 for x, 0 for y, type the left hand side. We get -20, so that works. Let's pick another point on the line. Okay, 0, -4. We're going to store -4 for y, 0 for x this time, and type out the expression. We get -20. Cool. So our answer is A. Alright, now this is the storing where you can use any value. So you see the word equivalent or simplify, you're going to pick your own value to store. And basically the answer choice that gives the same value as the one in the question is your answer. So in this case we get B because the expression returns -3 and answer choice B returns -3. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to show you how it works for 5. We get -7, and then we also get -7, so B is our answer. Now factoring polynomials, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to pick any value. I like to pick large values, so a value greater than 25, say, and then store that for our variable C, and then you're going to type out your expression. Now we're going to use that value and divide each answer choice. And now the factors that divide evenly or basically the factors divide evenly. So the binomials that divide evenly are in fact our factors. So answer choice B, because 51 has no decimals behind it. Alright, now we're going to use a different method for solving inequalities. we're going to go to y1, or yeah, we're going to go to y equals, and type out the expression. Now, if you don't remember how to get the greater than less than sign, you're going to want to hit second math, and then go down to either 3, 4, 5, or 6, and then something like this is going to show up, and you can see the mouse how this is at 9, and it's going to the left, so that means x is less than 9, and you can basically see that at 10 we get 0, and at 8 we get 1, so it's got to be. And by the way, 0 means false and 1 means true, just if you're wondering. Alright, now line of best fit equations. We're going to go to stat, and then we're going to put all of our data in, and then go stat, right arrow to calc, and go down to lenreg, and we get answer choice A. Now let's go to the next one. Now basically we're doing the same process. Remember, you can store your regression equation or type your regression equation into y1, and you're going to want to look to see if it says quadratic or linear. That'll tell you whether to do quadratic or linear. Now we're using the expression to predict the values. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type it into y1, and what you could do is you can once you have the equation into y equals or y1, you can follow these steps: vars, right arrow to y vars, press enter 2 times, and then put in parentheses the value that you want. For instance, here we want 3, and then it will give us back 55, so our answer is B. Alright, that's all I got for you. Hopefully that answers a good portion of the test, and if you still are confused, check out some of the other calculator videos. Alright, thanks for watching.